Hi guys, so I'm actually going to be a separate video or in my Cabo vlog, but today I am in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, Baja California Sur, and I'm about to do my makeup for the first time since being here. It's our 4th day here maybe, and I'm going to do a glowy makeup look. I haven't done a makeup video in a really long time or get ready with me, so I think I'm just gonna maybe make this a separate video and just talk about it. If you guys would like to see my Cabo vlog, was probably up before this. If not, it'll be up soon. If it is already up, I'll link it up here in the iCard or this side. I don't know what side it's on, but I just thought I would update you guys on my life and maybe teach y'all some Spanish because conozco un poquito de español después 5 años de estudiando. Yo sé. Anyway. If you don't know, call it a blood. Okay, right. I'm starting with wetting my feet, but I got a brand new one because mine was really nasty and I was tempted. I haven't bought any makeup in a long time, but I did buy a new beauty. Ooh, ew. I bought a new beauty blender, but y'all, okay, I used to love makeup, but I kind of just lost my interest, but look how nasty this brush is. Not only does it need to be cleaned, but also just like the base of the brush is disgusting. Ew. Also forgot all of my facial sprays. Maybe my mom might have one or my sisters, but I forgot them, like my Mara Badescu, so I love that for just kind of glowing up my skin, but I don't have it. So we're gonna try and make do without it. So I'm gonna take out all my stuff, and while I'm doing that, I guess I will multitask and talk about my life. So I just finished up my freshman year of college. First year, it was amazing. I've made all A's and B's throughout the whole year, which is super exciting. I was a little bit nervous about that. And if you guys don't know, I'm a nursing major, so the classes that I took for math, I finished with math. I took statistics and college algebra, and then I took an elective, University 101, took Spanish 101 nursing because I wanted to learn nursing things. I wasn't sure if I wanted my minor to be Spanish yet. And then I took Spanish 202, which is the Spanish that I placed into. I was just scared to take it because I thought it was going to be too hard. It was really easy. I made an A in it. But took that class. Those are my 2 Spanishes I took. I took English, Anatomy 1 and 2. Basic freshman classes, the only ones I needed for my major, like prereqs, were Anatomy 1 and 2. And I got B's in those. Pretty satisfied with that grade. Could be better, but whatever. So I'm starting off with this Mary Kay Time Wise lotion. So this is gonna moisturize and provide SPF for me because it's sunny. This one has 35 SPF. If you're wondering why I have this, my grandma gave it to me. My aunt, ew, it's nasty. Ew. At first word after you use it for a long time, it's nasty. That's what it looks like. My aunt, so that was Mary Kay, and I think my grandma, gave it to my grandma, and then I have it now. So yeah, but when in Mexico you need to provide SPF, and my face is always the first place to get burnt. I usually don't burn, but if I do burn, it's on my nose and my shoulders. So I always want to put SPF on. But yeah, first semester was awesome. I will do my roommate video very soon if you don't know what I'm talking about. I had a roommate that I just didn't get along with. I don't want to call her crazy, but we just did not get along. She was really rude, so she moved out mid-semester. So I'll just make a video about that very soon. But yeah, everything else was pretty fun. My friend group kind of fell apart mid-second semester as well. Like, we just stopped talking. And like, we knew it was gonna kind of happen, but next semester, I'm still friends with Keisha. Next semester, Keisha and I are living together. We have 2 other roommates. I'm not sure who they are yet, but hopefully they're pretty cool. So now I'm taking this. This is for my mom. This is a Jordana Glow and Go Creamy Strobing Stick. So it's a highlight. I like putting this on first as like a base to me glowing, and it's also really nice and like, a simple basic dewy makeup look. So yeah, I'm just doing a lot of that, and then I'm blending it in with my Real Technique sponge. So for foundation, I'm using Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. So I talked about school and updates. So I have a 3.5 GPA currently, which I'm gonna try and stick to. So next semester, I'm taking Spanish 309, which is advanced Spanish language. I skipped the semester, I'll come back. I'm also taking chemistry, public speaking. I always forget all my classes that I'm taking. Chemistry, public speaking, pathophysiology, which is like kind of like the next step after anatomy. So it's kind of like, okay, in anatomy, learn the respiratory system. Now in patho, we're gonna learn about how asthma works with your respiratory system, how it worsens it or whatever. So I'm excited about it, but I'm kind of scared because it seems like a lot. It seems really hard, but that class is only once a week. So I'm kind of excited that I only have to go once a week, but it's like 3 hours long. So that's fun. But yeah, I think that's all. Anatomy, patho, public speaking, chem, Spanish, and then there should be one more. Yeah, one more. I can't think about it right now. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen right now. But I also am taking, I forgot concealer. How the heck? Okay, so that's not putting on concealer. But anyway, I'm also taking 2 summer classes just so I can get ahead, because I also have a minor, and in the nursing program, you cannot take minor classes in your last 2 years in the upper division. So currently I'm in the lower division, so I'm trying to get my minor courses out. So over the summer, I'm taking Understanding English Grammar, which is a class needed for my minor, and then I'm taking just a regular class, nutrition. So it's not too much over the summer, just a simple little class. And I hope that they're both not too hard online, because I never really take classes online. So we'll see about that. Minor is Spanish translation or interpreting. And I was looking into studying abroad because my school does a study abroad program in Costa Rica. And I would love, love, love to go. And it's just 4 weeks over the summer. So it wouldn't take time out of my thing, and I can add it to my minor. So I would freaking love to do that. So we're gonna see if I can. Gotta talk to my advisor about it and like when we do it and everything. But yeah, that's like kind of my school update. Doing good. Now I'll update you guys on my boyfriend. So we have almost been talking plus dating for a year. It'll be a year in June, so it's May. So next month it'll be a year, which is crazy. So we did long distance. We started long distance in November, and hopefully it'll be ended in September. So almost a full year of long distance, and I mean long distance. I was in South Carolina, he was in Texas. Pretty far apart from each other. So I had to fly to go see him. I've seen him for the whole like long distance duration. I've seen him I think 2 times. So I saw him at his graduation, and then I visited him again for just visiting him, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see him again before he comes back home. So he was stationed at home, which is really exciting. So he's only going to be 2 hours away from me compared to like 16, which is really exciting. So I'll see him a lot more often. Probably won't vlog with him that often either, just because I kind of like to keep my relationship private. And he also doesn't really want to be on social media, so I respect his privacy and just don't post him a lot. Occasionally I will, but it's not very frequently. So yeah, but I'm really excited because he's coming home and I get to see him more often. And also I'm gonna have my own apartment so he can come over and see me, and it's just gonna be great. Well, I don't have my own apartment, but I have like my own apartment, just a couple roommates. I'm just going for a natural look, and what I always do is kind of to blend everything. And I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but I kind of just use this beauty blender, blend everything in. Yeah. And now I'll talk about the summer, my plans for the summer. So currently I'm in Cabo. We have a couple more days here, and one more full day, which is really sad. I was almost so exciting, really sad. Back to reality. I do have a summer job in campus, so I am staying on campus over the summer. So I'm getting money, which is nice. And my job is really simple. It's not hard at all. So that's a nice job. And then I just live on campus. It's free housing. You love that. So yeah, I forgot mascara too. Who am I? I might have to go use my mom's makeup. I'm gonna do my brows now. I'm very simple. So I'm brushing them out first. Okay, my job is basically like a summer RA. That's basically it. So I'm on call, and then whenever people leave rooms from like orientation, I just have to go in there and pick up, like mop, sweep, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna look in the mirror to do my brows. I just use NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in black because my brows are black. But yeah, so summer job's really easy. I can just chill out during the summer. I've got to go shopping for like stuff for my apartment because I wasn't expecting to get an apartment this early. But since I got this job, I have kind of an on-campus apartment that I need to shop for. So I'm gonna do that when I get back home, go grocery shopping and stuff, which I will vlog. Kind of for the first time, like I've obviously been grocery shopping like when I lived at home, but not for like ketchup and pickles, like for stuff like the basic stuff that I need. So I'm gonna do that. Probably will vlog it, of course, but yeah. I think that's everything. I was going to talk about the gym. I'm doing my, here, I'll turn the camera so you guys can see me too. How's that? So, I was also talk about the gym and everything. So I currently go to the gym 5 to 6 times a week, depending on how I'm feeling. I do get kind of lazy before we came to Cabo because I just got tired of going. But I'm going to get back on my grind once I get used to my new schedule, settle in. My job schedule is really simple. So it's Monday through Friday, 12:30 to 4:30. So it's a very static schedule. It's always going to be that, which is nice. I'm pretty happy with my progress. Over the summer, I will have my own kitchen, so I'll be eating a lot healthier because I won't have access to cookies and ice cream like I did in the dining hall. So that's nice. It's fun. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyebrows off camera. Okay. Now I'm putting on chapstick. This is Nivea Moisture Lip Care. This is so good. And then I'm gonna put on some lipstick. This is from Bite. I honestly can't read the color name, but it's from like an Ipsy bag forever ago, but the color just looks so good on me. For mascara, I stole some from my mom. Here's the makeup complete. I don't know if it's simple. I think it was pretty simple, pretty fast. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Hope y'all also enjoyed this update video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.